Hi viewers, today I am going to make vegetable sandwich without using potato. For this recipe you will be needing mozzarella cheese half a cup, salt as required, 1 cup of mushrooms chopped and green chilies chopped, chopped bell peppers 1 cup, grated carrot half a cup and bread. Take a pan and heat it up. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add the mushrooms and green chilies. Add little salt. Heat it up. Just cook for 1 minute. Do not overcook. Now add the grated carrot. Add bell pepper. Keep mixing. Cook for 1 minute. Do not overcook. Make sure that your mixture is crispy and not soggy. Add more salt. Cook it for 1 more minute. Switch off the flame and add mozzarella cheese. The total time taken was 5 minutes. Now apply the mixture to your bread like so. Now apply ghee or butter to your sandwich maker. Keep the sandwich in and toast. Leave it for 1 minute. After a minute, your sandwiches are ready to serve. Easy homemade vegetable sandwiches are ready.